Hello everyone, today I'll be opening up another Marvel Studios minifigures. I'm really excited for this because these are super cool. I already have the 2 Spider-Man, 2 Captain Carters, 1 Bucky, 1 zombie Captain America, and 1 Thanos' daughter Gamora. So I'm really excited to see what else I'm going to get here. I'm really hoping for Wanda and Loki. Those are my top 2. Sylvie's also up there too. And I really like these TV shows, so let's get right into it. Oh my goodness. Did we just pull another Spider-Man? Wow. I mean, Spider-Man's a pretty cool one, so I'm not sad now I got 3 Spider-Mans. It's just like the movie, so that's pretty interesting. I want to rip this and send this flying everywhere. There we go. I'll have this Spider-Man in his mask as well. It's cool having 3 Peter Parkers. So there's this Spider-Man. I wonder if they made a lot of extra Spider-Man ones, because I've legit just been getting Spider-Man after Spider-Man, it feels like. Not complaining, because I like Spider-Man, but I think it's interesting. It's also cool that it's Spider-Man with the Doctor Strange cape. And I love the Doctor Strange cape. I wouldn't consider him a character per se, but his scenes are always really funny. Like, their scenes. Doesn't have a gender. With the Spider-Man, we get another web. I really like that. Ooh. I have one of the webs. You can like connect them to characters and make it look like he's webbing them. I think that's so cool. And the base plate. I'll put the cape on this one too. You don't even have to wear the cape because Spider-Man is pretty cool without it, but I like the Doctor Strange cape. It's interesting. This episode though, I really like the zombie episode because it was just so cool seeing all these, the recreation of the whole Infinity War kind of deal, but instead with zombies. Different consequences. The characters were really cool in that too. I might go rewatch that again just because it was interesting to see some of these different variations of characters and what went down in that universe, and then kind of think what it could do to the Marvel universe, since we're now getting a lot of crossovers. And I mean, we've always had a lot of crossovers with Marvel, but it's getting intense now. I'm trying to put the cape on this Spider-Man. And here we go. Zombie Honey Spidey. Oop. The cape's the hardest part. Rearrange the cape. Boom. In all its glory. Zombie Hunty Spider-Man. It's a cool one. So, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below. And I'll see you in the next video.